In this new section, we will create the spaceship and manage to move it in different directions. So let's get started. So first, we're going to create a brand new project. So again, we can use 3D or 2D because you can actually modify this parameter later on. So I'm going to use 2D and click Create Project. So Unity will start to create my project. Once this is done, we can see my window. We're in the 2D mode. You can see that this 2D mode is activated. And the very first thing that I will do is to start creating a brand new sprite. So I'm going to go to Create. Then I'm going to go to Sprites and then Triangle. So again, this will create a sprite called Triangle. Okay. So once this is done, I can take it and drag and drop it straight to the window here. Okay, so it will create a new object called triangle. In fact, I could actually rename it player. All right, and then if I look at my game, you can see that this triangle is visible. Now the only thing is, if I play my game, you will see I can't actually do much with it. There is no movement yet. So what I need to do is to add some kind of scripting to be able to move my object. So again, I will go to Create, C#, and I'm going to create a brand new script called move player. Okay, so again, move player. So I'm going to double click on this script. Okay, and once this is done, you can see that my script appears right here. So what I want from this script again is that in the update function to check for an input. So again, I'm going to type the code if input dot get key and then key code dot left arrow. So again, I've got auto completion. What I want in this case, I want the game object linked to the script to go to the left. So again, in this case, what I will do is go to take the game object in question, and then take its transform, access its transform, and then translate this object to the left. So again, I'm going to use vector 3.left and multiply by 0.1. It's just to readjust. You'll see that if I don't put 0.1, it's going to be a bit too fast. Again, I'm going to save this script, and again, just copy paste, and now use the right arrow. Okay, in this case, it's going to go to the right. All right, so I'm going to save this script, go back to Unity, and again, I've got a little problem here. So here the issue is that you see if I don't put F after, it will think it's a double. So again, I'm going to tell me that I have an error. So again, by doing this, I should clear the errors. Once this is done, you can go back to your project window, take the script, and move it on the player. Okay. Once this is done, you can play the scene. And now if I move my left and right arrow, you can see I can move very easily. Okay. So again, now the next part of the code is very easy. I'm going to do the exact same, but for going up and for going down. So again, if it's the up arrow, I'm going to go up, and if it's the down arrow, so again, I just need to put down here, arrow is going to go down. Okay, so again, I'm going to save this, back to Unity, check my console window, there's nothing. So again, I can start to play my scene already, and now you can see that you can move in all directions. So it's a very easy way to be able to move your player around, and again, it's only using the code called get key code dot and then left arrow or right arrow. And again, the idea here is that in the update function, you'll be checking for a key to be